cipher block modes of operation. In block mode, we already studied that the processing will be done on a block of bits, and the output is also generated in a block of bits. So, in a symmetric block cipher, process one block of data at a time. For example, in case of DS or 3DS, the block length is actually 64-bit, whereas some other algorithms like AES, block length is 128 bits. If sometimes what happens, the plain text size is more than this number of bits, 64 or 128 bits. In that case, we have to break that plain text into multiple blocks. If we imagine here, one block contains B number of bits, then sometimes the last block contains less number of bits. In that case, we have to do some padding. Padding means adding additional bits to the block. To apply a block cipher in a variety of applications, 5 different modes of operations have been defined by this NIST. These 5 modes are intended to cover virtually all of the possible applications of encryption for which a block cipher could be used. These modes are intended for use with any symmetric block cipher, including some of the basic algorithm like DES as well as AES. Some of the cipher block modes are electronic code book, cipher blockchaining, cipher feedback, output feedback, and counter. We learn this concept in detail one by one.